How to play YouTube in background. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open YouTube app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to play YouTube in the background, then the first thing you want to do is you want to subscribe to YouTube Premium. The feature of playing YouTube in the background is only available in YouTube Premium. So if you don't have that yet, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the Get YouTube Premium option. Now from here, you want to tap on Try 1 month option. You will get YouTube Premium for free for 1 month. So go ahead and tap on that. Then you want to select your plan and tap on the Confirm option. Add in your payment method and follow the on-screen prompts. Once you have been subscribed to YouTube Premium, you want to tap on the profile icon again. Then tap on this gear icon to open up settings. Now tap on General. Once you are on your premium, you will get the option of picture in picture. Make sure to toggle that option on. Once it has been toggled on, you want to make sure in your settings that it is toggled on as well. Then whenever you play a video, you will be able to play YouTube in the background. Now, some people might not want to subscribe to YouTube Premium. If that is the case and you want to play YouTube in the background, then you can use the features available in your device as well. For example, in my case, tap and hold on this YouTube icon and then tap on Open in Pop-up View. Now the YouTube video will continue playing in this way while I continue with the other application. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.